Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got a fantastic episode lined up for you. We will be exploring 5 incredible wood wall design ideas to suppress up your living room. Whether you are a DIY pro or just looking for some inspiration, these ideas are sure to add warmth and style to your space. Let's dive into the cozy world of reclaimed brown wood. Imagine bringing the charm of earth wood into your living room. Picture the rustic texture and unique patterns that nature has crafted over time. What makes it even better? Installing it a breeze with adhesive panels, making it a simply DIY project. Want a balanced look? Pair your brown wood wall with natural furniture for the perfect harmony. And guess what? It is not just easy on the eyes but also on the wallet. Using reclaimed wood is not only cost effective but also eco friendly, giving a second life to beautiful materials. So, transform your space with the warmth of brown wood, simply rustic and charming. Discover the rising trend of geometric wooden paneling. In modern home design, it is all about creating a personalized pattern that suits your style and space. The dynamic effect of combining different wood tones to achieve the chic and contemporary atmosphere. Get playful with shape like hexagon to add a touch of uniqueness. Imagine the sleek, streamlined look that these geometric patterns can bring to your living room. It is the perfect fit for a modern aesthetic. So, whether you are into bold statements or subtle accent, geometric wood paneling open up a world of possibilities, transforming your living space into a stylish haven that reflects your individuality. In Scandinavian design, light wood is all the rage for good reason. It is loved for creating a breezy and open vibe in any room. Using board planks not only adds a touch of simplicity but also give a neat and minimalistic appearance. The beauty of light would lie in its flexibility. Too much diverse color schemes or furniture styles, making it a go-to choose for many. Plus, it is budget-friendly option that is easy to find. So, if you are aiming for that airy, clean, and wallet-friendly aesthetic, Lightfoot, it is your design superhero, bringing a touch of Nordic charms right into your living space. Create a sung heaven with the concept of a cozy cocoon like space. Dive into the luxurious world of dark wood tones, highlighting their rich and deep characteristics. Discover the power of single accent wall to bringing drama and focal point to your living room. For an extra touch of warmth and comfort, pair dark wood with soft finishing and gently lighting. Let's talk about how this dark wood magic can weave a sense of intimacy and sophistication into your space, making it not just a room but a retreat. So envision your room wrapped in the elegance of dark wood, creating an inviting atmosphere that is both intimate and stylish. Unlock your inner artist with a DIY palette wood wall. Transform your space affordably by repurposing palettes for a fun and creative project. We have got your back with easy step-by-step instruction for a safe installation, ensuring you can unleash your DIY powers with confidence. Dive into the world of versatility as you create unique patterns or artwork, customizing your wall to match your style. The satisfaction of crafting a personalized handcrafted living room furniture is unparalleled. This project not only adds the character to your space but also allow you to express your creativity without breaking the bank. So grab those palettes and let's turn your living room into a canvas of your own making. And there you have it, 5 fantastic wood wall design ideas to elevate your living room. Whether you are into the rustic vibe, modern aesthetic, or DIY projects, there is something for everyone. Which idea catch your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more design inspiration and we will catch you in the next video.